Who's the best dancer on the Teen Wolf set?
Not me. The best dancer on the Teen Wolf set.
You know, I'm going to say it's me. I'd like to say myself. No one would know that I take hip-hop classes except for people in hip-hop class. I'm the best dancer on set. Hands down.
Arden? She sings. Does she dance too? I don't know.
I'm not like a skilled dancer, but you know, when I was younger, I grew up doing like ballet, tap, jazz. I'm definitely better at dancing than Kira.
Shelly was a dancer. She is a dancer. The one that I saw Shelly doing one time was like this. She just kind of like shook her legs and wobbled like that. We're a group of pretty silly dancers. Dylan O'Brien has really good dance moves.
He does the worm on a regular basis. So I have a lot more gyration in it. Like that.
Dylan's got some crazy moves, and Posey's got crazy moves.
Posey does a lot of dancing on set. I look like a dorky white guy, which is weird because I'm not really white.
I've seen him like open his legs and he starts doing some weird thing with his hands and then he just starts jamming around. My best dance move? Oh, I'm not the best dancer on set. We know demonstrations. I have a hip at a place.
Oh man, bust out a little move, like a little pop, lock, like a little tap. Or maybe I just slow dance.
Just kind of like shaking my arms in the air, waving them like I just don't care. And just bouncing and jiggling. I feel like a lot of actors dance. It's always loner narcissistic activities that actors take place in. That think they're experts in, and when we're not. So yeah, I think I'm a great dancer.